Hi, I'm Becky from Indigo Chinese Medicine, and this is how to use your Moxibustion sticks. Clinic would have supplied you with some Moxibustion sticks, and they look like this. It's a herb that we call aye, and it's been compressed and carbonised into this cigar shape. Equipment that you'll need is a candle, and you'll need a jar with a lid. To light your moxa stick, hold it over a candle flame until it's a red hot tip. Snuff out your moxa in a glass jar with a lid or under a running tap.